Hey there. So inside HubSpot, you are dealing with a lot of things. You are doing a lot of deals and everything. But here, the currencies are maybe set on one value and you want something else. Maybe you are working with a multinational team where you want to set a different currency for different sort of deals or sales. And is that possible? Yes, it's absolutely possible. Watch on in order to know more.
Once your sales team is on HubSpot, now you can set up the deal currency in which you want all of your sales reps to deal in. In order to do so, click on the settings tab on top right. Over here on the left, click on account defaults. In the account defaults section, click on currency on the right. In here, you can add a currency of your choice. For example, we already have the US dollar. We can add a currency, so I will suggest it should be something which your sales team will use. We are based from India, so we'll select the Indian national rupees and we will select the exchange rate. So for example, here we have to set the exchange rate in comparison to US dollar. So 1 INR is almost equivalent to 0.0125 USD right now. So we click on save. And once your currency is saved, you can also set it up as company currency. So everybody would be able to use it by default. Otherwise, this option would be available when your people are selecting their sales deals.
So guys, I hope you didn't have any trouble following all of these steps. And in case you want a help in order to build something custom or amazing of your own, feel free to scan the QR code on the screen in front of you. And I'll see you guys soon in the next video.